Welcome to how to create and manage trial licenses in WorldShare License Manager. A trial license is a license intended for an evaluation period, according to the agreement with your vendor. Once you start a trial with your vendor, you can create the respective trial license in WorldShare License Manager. The benefits of doing that are: keep track of the status of your trial, analyze support for multiple languages, allow library staff, faculty, and students to rate and review the trial according to their role. Let's see how you create a new trial license. To create a new trial license, after logging into your License Manager account, click the Licenses tab located on the top menu. Then on the left side panel, click Licenses accordion to expand it, and then click Create a License button. You then define the license type to be a trial period license, which is a license intended for an evaluation period. Choose your license level: Collections for collection license level, or Title for title level license. Choose the level that suits your content best. For this video, we will create a trial license at collection level. After selecting the options, click the Continue button. The form opens on the General section. Give a name to your trial license and add all the necessary information. Name, start date, and end date fields are required information. You can set up for the system to auto-select or auto-deselect collections, then complete information such as costs involved for the trial, if applicable. Define the responsible person or persons. These are the staff members responsible for defining the settings for this trial license. Add date signed and a description. To add titles to your license, click the Collection section for collection level, or click the Title section if you are creating at title level. If for title level, add titles and select if you want to search at collection level or title level. For collections, search for the collection. For this example, we are searching at collection level. The collection will display on the license. You can use the Remove action at the right of the titles or collection to remove any unwanted titles or collections. After you have configured your vendors under Vendors Queue, on the left side panel, then click the Vendor section on the form. You can select if this license covers a single vendor or multiple vendors. When you select your configured single vendor, the system automatically fills in the information for that vendor. When you select your multiple vendors, the system will list the vendors with a link to them with their respective information. Under Terms of Use section, you have the tabs for documentation, maintenance, responsibilities, rights, user access, and custom terms, where you can add information according to your terms. You are creating a summary of your terms of use for staff to refer to as needed. These terms can also inform other displays and integrations, such as your public notes. Under Documents section, you can upload a copy of your license terms, contract, or any other document related to this license that you find useful. Under Bookmarks section, you can add URLs. And under Comments section, add any information you want to highlight. Remember to click the Save button located on the upper left side of the screen to save your license when you have finished. After the trial license is created, when the staff assigned as responsible for the license logs into WorldShare License Manager, the system then prompts for a survey to be created. You can select which type of respondents will be allowed, such as faculty, staff, and/or students. Use the plus sign to add more types of respondents, or the minus sign to eliminate any type. Then define if Comments section will be a required field or not. Next, click Continue. The second step is to set the response goals if needed by enabling it, and selecting either total respondent or a type of respondent. This is useful if you want to check a specific type of respondent, for example. Set notifications to be sent when the goal is met. Click Continue even if you are not enabling this option. Step 3 will display a review of your choices, in case you need to go back to apply any changes to your settings. Step 4 will allow you to enter the domain settings to enable the survey for your website. Use the plus sign to add another field if more than one domain. After you complete the domain settings, click Create Survey Code button. View and copy and paste the code into your HTML. You can create a trial license from a template as well. To create a trial license from a template, from your WorldShare License Manager instance, on the left panel, select Templates Accordion to expand it. Then select the scope for the search. Enter a term, then click Search. Locate the desired template. Then under Actions column on the right, click Create License button. Select the license type as Trial Period License. Then select the license level, collection, or title, and click Continue. Update the form accordingly, then save your trial license. After you have created your trial licenses, you can manage them as needed. To manage your trial licenses, from your WorldShare License Manager instance, then Licenses tab on the top menu. From the left side panel, expand Licenses accordion. Then click Trial Licenses button. Under the trial license list, you can use the filter options to locate your trial license. And you can select content type, collection level, or title level. Under Domain Settings tab, you can check any listed domain to see if they are correct. Under Survey Settings tab, you will have a summary of your current setting for the survey. Under Survey Preview tab, select the language for the preview. If multiple languages are configured, select if it is collection level or title level. Then click Review button on the right of the collection or title to preview the survey and see if everything is as expected. Under Languages tab, use the plus sign under Actions column on the right to add additional supported languages. Then under Trial License List, use the Trial License Actions drop-down arrow to select the option to copy survey code, edit domain settings, or edit survey settings as needed. Now, when you want to manage the responses for the surveys, reviews, and monitor changes applied to the trial license, from the Trial License List tab, locate and open your trial license. After the trial license is created and settings are in place, you can check the Survey Data section on your trial license. Search for the collection or title. Check the Survey Summary tab to see the average rating added by staff. And see all reviews. Check the Reviews tab to see the reviews sent by staff. You can filter the reviews by date range, keyword and comments section, rating, or role. From the History section, you can track changes applied to the trial license. In summary, the Trial License option in WorldShare License Manager allows you to document and track everything related to your trial license to support your decisions related to the trial. You can contact OCLC support and find more training materials and documentation at help.oclc.org. Thanks for watching.